Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Paint Boss here on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe us. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of how to paint your vanity in your bathroom. So we're doing a quick color change on this vanity. You can see it's nothing crazy about it. Marcos has gone ahead and taped off the corners. And basically all we're trying to do is shoot from here out. So inside is a melamine box. Outside we just ran a little bit of blue tape, and then we're going to put a little backer shield in there. Alrighty, so pretty basic little prep job. Marcos has scuff sanded it. You always want to make sure you get a good little scuff sand, get that shine off of your cabinets. If it's really shiny before you start painting, you're not going to stick. So we get a nice little scuff sand, a little prep check, pretty standard masking over here. Today we're going to use a gravity-fed HVLP gun. We have our air pressure gauge here. We have our pigmented lacquer. So today we're not shooting latex, we're shooting a pigmented lacquer. That's why you see we have our respirators on. We're shooting a Gemini. This is Chantilly lace. So let's go to work. This is a good little DIY project for you guys at home. If you guys ever want to change the color of your kitchen cabinets, this is a much quicker way. So as you can see here, we have our compressor. We're running a 15-gallon compressor tank and just a short little cord. And we're running at about 35 pounds of pressure. So I'm going to run each direction. I'm going to go a wide fan to get all of my vertical stuff and a sideways fan. So on these HVLP guns, you just twist the tip, check that it's the pattern you want. Now I'm going up and down, so now I'm going to do all my horizontals. saw how easy that was. Once again, we're using a pressure gauge here. We're using about 37 pounds through our airflow meter. And this is a good quick one. So like and subscribe if you like the video. We'll do a more in-depth when we do a bigger project. So this is just a quick little vanity hit. That easy. All right, everybody. Thank you. See you soon.